Hello, welcome to another topic that we want to talk about. This topic for today is artificial intelligence in Iran. But at first, we have to start with what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. The primary goal of AI is to create systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. The most popular example in nowadays are AI assistants such as ChatGPT and Bard and Copilot, which are helping a lot of people daily through answering all kinds of questions very quickly, translating, generating images, and so on. AI is advancing through different sectors such as education, banking, telecommunications, agriculture, art and media, architecture, security, transportation, medical, uh, aerospace. What is the history of AI? This part would be with Amin, so watch what Amin has for us.
Now, in order to explain the history of AI, we have to go back to the beginning of the 20th century. The formal study of AI began in the 20th century. John McCarthy, who was an American scientist, proposed the Dartmouth Conference, the first artificial intelligence conference held in 1956. He also coined the term artificial intelligence and introduced it at this conference. Then, in 1950, Alan Turing, a computer scientist, proposed the Turing test as a way to determine a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior identical to that of a human. During the 1990s and 2000s, the rise of the internet and the availability of large datasets contributed to the resurgence of interest in AI, and today, advances in computational power and massive datasets led to a resurgence of interest in deep learning. AI technologies, including virtual assistants, recommendation systems, and autonomous vehicles, have become integral parts of everyday life. Now, we want to talk about the companies that are using these AI systems. With the emergence of several powerful, easy-to-use AI assistants, such as ChatGPT, Copilot, Bard, and many other examples, there are not a lot of businesses who don't utilize AI in some capacity. For example, Google utilizes AI in search algorithms, Google Assistants, and other products and services. Amazon uses AI in its e-commerce platform, recommendation systems, and cloud computing services. Microsoft, they use AI in products like Azure, Office 365, and Cortana. IBM uses AI in areas such as Watson for healthcare, business analytics, and cloud computing. Meta for content moderation, facial recognition, and personalized content recommendation. Tesla, one of the leading companies in AI today, uses AI in their autonomous vehicle and drivings. Apple uses AI in Siri, facial recognition technology. Tencent, one of the major Chinese tech companies, they use AI in gaming, social media, and other services. And lastly, Alibaba, one of the biggest e-commerce companies, which uses AI in e-commerce, cloud computing, and logistics. Now, why do companies use AI? Why is there such a big rush that everyone in the world is striving to catch up to this technology? Let's hear about that from Sadek.
As Amin talked about the companies that they are using of AI, of course, there is a lot of benefit that AI will bring in our lives. One of the most significant benefits of AI lies in its ability to automate mundane and repetitive tasks. By taking over these routine activities, AI frees up human resources to focus on more creative and the strategic endeavors like spam detection in emails. AI's ability to analyze large data sets and identify patterns enable it to make accurate prediction and informed decisions. In fields such as finance and healthcare, for example, mean reversion in trading signals. Another benefit of AI is its potential to enhance customer experiences. AI-powered chatbot and virtual assistants have become increasingly common in consumer services. By automating responses to frequently asked questions, AI ensure faster response time and improve overall customer satisfaction. AI also play a crucial role in driving advancement in transportation and mobility. For example, Tesla self-driving cars, and I think Apple do such things for next generation of their company and enabled by AI technologies. By combining computer vision, sensors, and machine learning, it's possible to reduce the number of accidents caused by human error. And of course, I have to talk about it. Most of the people has this concern about the hack of AI tools and driverless cars. Right now, we have to dig in, right? And we have to see what will happen because we don't have any experience about the machine that will do something by itself. So right now it's completely all right and we will use of this. But the history of AI in Iran that I want to talk about it is when talking about the history of artificial intelligence in Iran, it's necessary to mention an Iranian Armenian individual named Professor Karolukas. He was born in Esfahan and is known as the founder of and director of the Intelligence Control and Processing Pole, and he was the first Iranian who think about AI. At least we don't know he was the first Iranian who used AI in Iran or not, but he was the Iranian that think about it and run these businesses. Since around 2015, a lot of advancements have been made in Iran. Government support inside several important sectors, and implementing these new technologies has helped with the development. Irancell also announced their support of university students who write their theses about AI that we covered in our news. After the outbreak of the coronavirus, the impacts and effectiveness of facial recognition technology and artificial intelligence in Iran have been felt more clearly. People find it more appealing to do everything online, which has caused a lot of development in AI since some other companies who provide AI services are Fanuc, Datalk, Datalk, and LifeWeb. That we have some news about them right now in our platform. But the government part and AI is a part that Amin will talk about it, so be with us.
What does the government think about AI and how is it responding to it? The government seems to have found a passion and excitement in this field. Every now and then, news of their firm determination to use artificial intelligence to address the country's problem is heard. But where does Iran stand on this path? Ruhollah Dehqani, who is the Vice President for Science, Technology, and Knowledge-Based Economy, stated that we don't have many resources to invest in our country, and we should try to improve productivity with the help of artificial intelligence. I want to add that artificial intelligence would be replacing the lack of experts that we have in the country. Next, we have Mohammad Mehdi Arzani, who is the head of the Artificial Intelligence Academy at FANOP, which is one of the biggest providers of AI in Iran. He mentions a lot of the obstacles surrounding AI. He states, it seems that most important technology of the fourth industrial revolution is artificial intelligence. The world is striving to catch up with it, not only China and the United States, but also Arab countries. Recently, Turkey has also made investments in this field. But what we need is open access to global markets, which is necessary for domestic companies like Iran to be able to introduce their products to the market. Infrastructures also play a crucial role in the development of AI and their technologies. A slow internet, power outages, and filtering hinder the development process. More recently, Sayed Mohammad Razavizadeh, who is the head of ICT or Information and Technology Company, stated that development and design, as well as legislation in the field of artificial intelligence, is a subject that has been assigned to ICT by the Ministry of Communication and Information Technology. What about the state of AI in Iran? There's a lot of governmental talk about it. Where is it actually going? Who is using it? And what can we say about it? Depending on which sector we're talking about, the influence of AI will differ. But we can say that implementation of AI in every sector is being pursued with several companies already using it and some planning to adopt this technology. For example, one of the biggest topics during the past few weeks is smart banking. Following the recent focus on smart banking in the country, Dirac Cloud's new product called Automatic Machine Learning in the Development and Operations Environment was unveiled at the 10th Annual Conference on Electronic Banking and Payment System. Power industry. Mustafa Rajabi Mashhadi, who is the deputy manager of the National Grid, stated that due to the increase in the volume of production information in the country's electricity industry, it is impossible to deliver this data by people, and it is time to use artificial intelligence to analyze this amount of information. The next sector we can talk about is medical, which is very important because a lot of people are dealing with many diseases which are not curable by traditional science that we have. Healthcare has grown and changed through technology and artificial intelligence, such as virtual nurses, drug manufacturing and management, health monitoring, and etc. In our country, a series of measures have been taken to make the field of medicine and health smarter. For example, there was a skin analysis clinic with the help of artificial intelligence, which was opened in Shahid Mutahari Accident and Burn Hospital for patients in need of cell therapy. Agriculture is also one of the traditional sectors that we have in Iran that has not yet adopted artificial intelligence. However, there is a series of software, such as Keshtiyar software, which is designed by Iranian experts and is an intelligent assistant for farmers. Next, we have architecture. With the help of AI, massive data can be processed and buildings can be designed and optimized. In fact, AI appears in the form of analytical software and intelligent robots in architecture. Among the Iranian softwares, we can mention Boniano software, which helps to build and optimize building skeletons and save costs. Aerospace. In our country, scientists use AI in space organizations to build high-speed and high-precision satellites and satellite carriers and various types of rockets. In general, due to the great capabilities of AI in relation to the aerospace industry, defense and space organizations are now widely using it. Art and media, which is very popular, and AI has played a very significant role in this field, such as music, fine arts, and other fields of art. And also by using the four tools of machine vision, natural language processing, speech processing, and data mining in various sectors of the media industry, including radio, television, news, sites, social media, and others who produce textual audio and video content. Marketing and sales, which is very big now with a lot of e-commerce companies moving forward to use AI technology to improve their sales and their radius of marketing across the global market. AI has opened new ideas and patterns for the development, marketing, and sales, advertising, e-commerce, and store services. Among the Iranian software related to marketing, we can mention the intelligent advertising system of iSeen. Transportation. With Tesla leading the way for using AI in their vehicles and transportation, Iran has a long way to go to produce self-driving cars. But not long ago, a self-driving car robot, which is 1/10 the size of a real car, was designed and unveiled in collaboration with Mobile First Operator and Shahid Beheshti University. Another use of AI in the transportation is the production of all kinds of optimal routing software such as Nishan and Balad applications, which are GPS applications for navigation. Telecommunications. AI has wide applications in this sector, such as classification of data in telecommunication networks, anomaly detection and optimization of the network, and its exploitation and virtual assistant. It is also used in the development of the fifth generation internet, or 5G. Not that long ago, the Iran Telecommunication Research called for cooperation with companies active in the field of artificial intelligence with the aim of operating the 5G network in the country. Education. AI has made positive changes in educational systems, such as improving the way of learning and teaching or educational planning. And in the service sectors, it pays attention to security, law enforcement, and energy management. Some of these platforms that we have are Hushtel, which is the automation of administrative activities, or Azmun Yar Behsan, which is an educational evaluation platform. Lastly, we have one of the most important parts using AI, which is security or cybersecurity. AI has had a big impact on security by identifying threats, neutralizing them, or predicting possible attacks. Among the Iranian application software in this sector, we can mention facial recognition software, for example, Rokhnegar, and user identity management from Farashanasa, which is one of the leading companies in providing AI to these businesses.
As Amin talked about all these facilities that AI bring for us, I want to talk about employment and investment. Surely you have noticed the penetration of artificial intelligence in all industries and its importance. There is a wide range of job opportunities for interested people. In our country, more than 100 companies operate in the field of artificial intelligence. And according to statistics, the number of active companies in this field increases every year. And this indicates the growing need for skills and specialized force. The Iranian government has been actively promoting innovation and technology as part of its economic development plans. And there are several initiatives to support technology-based startups. However, there are also challenges that come with investing in Iran AI industry. One of the most significant barriers in the impact of international sanctions, which can limit access to necessary resources or limit the ability to export products and services. To mitigate this challenge, investors need to conduct thorough research on the local market and regulatory environment. Work with local partners who have a deep understanding of the market and have a clear and robust plan for mitigating risk. And of course, I have to talk about the news that today we covered is about $650 million that we earn from the exporting knowledge-based companies that which will show that sanctions couldn't work on digital situation that we have. It's a circumvent, actually. Digital economy is a circumvent for all the sanctions, which is very good for Iranian people and most of the countries that are involved with the sanctions. In conclusion, in Iran, artificial intelligence has been rapidly advancing and advancing with government support. AI is being implemented in various sectors such as banking, healthcare, agriculture, and more. The government recognized the importance of AI in addressing societal challenges. However, obstacles like slow internet and limited resources remain. The Iranian AI industry offers job opportunities, but international sanctions pose challenges. Despite these, Iran ranks 17th in the production of artificial intelligence, according to Ruhollah Dehqani. Iran is also ranked highly in terms of AI research publications. However, there are areas that need improvement, such as the availability of open data, which is crucial for AI development because, as you know, it's machine learning. So it's a machine will learn anything by itself. So we need data to create an AI. Moving forward, Iran's vision to be among the top 10 countries in AI within the next decade demonstrates its commitment to this field. This aspiration, coupled with the nation's proven ability to innovate despite obstacles, suggests a promising future for AI development in Iran. As the world continues to embrace AI, Iran's progress will undoubtedly contribute to the global advancement in this exciting and ever-evolving field. Some other things that I want to add on all of this. Thank you, Amin, for every information that you gave us. I want to add something else. AI has two parts, and we have to divide it on two sections. One of them is completely good with a lot of benefits, and we are talking about some benefits of AI, not all of them. And the other one is the danger of AI, that we don't want to talk about it right now because we don't know anything about it. How could it be, and how dangerous could it be? But the history will judge us and our decisions. But right now, use of it, enjoy of it, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.